We're back now with Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council with another tasty recipe this March. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
What are we making today?
Well, I have more corned beef planned over recipes.
Love it.
So let's say St. Patty's Day, you made the big brisket, cabbage, potatoes, carrots. Save some of it if you can, or if you have extra. I've got great recipes to use that planned over chopped corned beef. And we're gonna make them into egg rolls.
Ooh.
I know, I love making egg rolls at home. And actually this is, I stumbled on this recipe quite a few years ago, and both my kids were home then, and it's still my daughter's favorite recipe.
It's fun because it's like for the whole family, right? It's easy.
And you know what? If you have kids that like to help in the kitchen, this is a perfect recipe to have them help.
Love that.
Now, the recipe on our website calls for to deep fry them. I don't own a deep fryer, so I'll do them in a couple, 3 inches of like a peanut oil or cooking oil in a stock pot with a candy thermometer. Okay. But these I air fried. Ooh. So I'm doing that now because I have an air fryer.
A lot of folks are air frying now.
Yeah,
so.
it takes less than 10 minutes.
Easy.
The filling, and you can definitely make the filling ahead too. I took about 1 small onion, sliced it up, and then a couple handfuls of cold slaw just from the supermarket, and then sauteed that, kind of softened the cold slaw and the onion 5 minutes. Then I added in chopped corned beef, so you can definitely use that corned beef brisket planned over, or deli corned beef if you would like. Calls for about 4 ounces, so like couple cups. And then there is shredded potato in here. Oh. And if you have potato already from maybe your meal, I just bought the refrigerated hash browns.
There you go.
Threw them in.
That's
and
really
it was
easy.
Perfect. A little salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add some cheese. So it's kind of like a Reuben, almost in an egg roll wrap. So we've got the egg roll wrap. So you just kind of put in the middle.
Oh, how fun.
I don't know, half a cup. And then I got shredded Swiss. You could definitely do a Monterey Jack or provolone. And then kind of wet your edges with a little water.
You're right. This would be kind of fun to make with the family, getting everybody involved.
It would.
Making you work for your meal, right?
You work for dinner or for your game day snack, and then kind of just roll it up like that.
Look at that.
The water helps it stick. Now, for the air fryer, you want to spray these with a little nonstick cooking spray. Okay. So that'll kind of help them brown in the air fryer. But otherwise, like, they're ready to go in your oil. I think you get your oil up to 375 degrees. So if you're doing it that way, set your deep fryer at 375 or watch your kind of candy thermometer. Yeah. And then, you know, if you're doing them in oil, it's literally like 3-4 minutes. Everything's cooked in here. So kind of pull those sides up, let them touch so they stick.
Roll it up.
Roll, and you can
go.
get quite a few egg rolls. It says 8. I always get more than that.
Ooh, that's good. Yeah. Usually it's the opposite. I feel like you don't get enough.
No,
so now with this one,
you get more than 8.
And then you have the finished product right here.
You get the finished product served with a little Thousand Island dressing, or you can make a fancier dipping sauce if you like. But beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV this month. We're all about corned beef, baby.
I love it. Use it. All these different recipes. It's kind of fun. Awesome,
yes.
Angie.
And tasty.
And tasty. As always, thank you so much.
You're welcome.